Hello, AllHome subscribers, and welcome back to another episode of AllHome Inspirations with me, Leona. Now, with most of us still staying at home, I'm sure you can feel the effect of the full-blown summer. Really, really hot. Now, we thought it would be great to share some of our summer hacks to make your home look and feel a lot cooler as we get through these warm summer days. Now, let's get started.
Tip number 1. Make use of blackout curtains. Shield your home from the sun and the heat by keeping your home cool through external coverings such as these curtains from linen and things. Some of the colors available are beige, brown, dark gray, among others. If you don't want it to look too plain, you can also add sheer curtains. They act as an additional accent and filter.
Tip number 2. Choose cotton fabric. I got this lifestyle set and I could not be happier. So soft. I also chose a nice neutral gray. Now, if pattern and color is what you like, AllHome has got you covered. One of the brands worth taking note of is Linen and Things. They have so many patterns, a wide variety of colors that you will definitely enjoy.
Why choose cotton fabric bed sheets? Cotton is a natural fiber that's known for being light and breathable, which makes them perfect for cooling down your bed and ensuring quality sleep all night long. Cotton fabrics also give a smoother feel against your skin, making them cozier and more comfortable. Now, who wouldn't want that? Cotton also lasts a lot longer than the synthetic ones, making them more cost-efficient in the long run. Amazing, right? They're sleep-inducive, lasts longer, and are low maintenance. You can just throw them straight to the machine and wash as usual. And while they're still a little bit damp, you can dry them flat. No need to use an iron. Now here's some amazing news for you, as AllHome carries a wide range of thread counts from 180, 200, 300, 500, and up to 600 thread counts. One of the top sellers worth checking out are these sheets by Lifestyle 300. According to the reviews, they give you the hotel luxury feel right at your own home.
And for our final tip to beat the heat, you can't go wrong with this black Asahi fan with wooden blades. Not only does it look really cool, I mean, check out the design. I love the minimalist look, but it packs a punch when it comes to cool air.
Electric fans help improve cooling while also saving energy by reducing your air conditioner use. You can also cleverly hack this by turning it into a cool mist machine by placing a bowl of ice in front of it. Easy, right? AllHome offers portable air conditioners, which is definitely perfect for every home. One of these portable air cons is the TCL Portable AC. It is fast cooling and low noise. What makes this great is that it comes with a 3-in-1 special health filter. There's HEPA filter, photocatalyst filter, active carbon filter, and silver ion filter. Perfect for our current situation where we need to take extra care of our family.
And there you have it, 4 amazing hacks to keep you cool all summer long. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's official YouTube channel. Also, if you comment down below and share which is your favorite summer hack, you get a chance to win your very own Asahi desk fan with wooden blade. We will be announcing the winner next week. Thank you for joining us in this episode of AllHome Inspirations. Please join us again next time for a lot of fun hacks and home tips. My name is Leona. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.